Good morning. I am headed over to mom and dad's. We are going to hopefully install cabinets today so that we can get them stained. And dad's been working on the last few cabinets, clear coating the inside of them the last couple days. Well, I've been working here. I've been painting the floor in the basement so that it's not as dusty down there for them to store their stuff, and so that we can make like a rec room area as a second living space. And yeah, we've been kind of tag teaming. Mom's been off for a week. It was just her holidays, but she used it for packing, so I helped her with that. Yeah, so obviously we're into January now, which means there's less than 30 days to get everything done that we need to get done for them to move in, which includes our occupancy for our house. So we are letting the hardwood climatize to the house, and then we'll be able to install that. And we have to rip a bunch of plywood sheets here at mom and dad's because the radial alarm saw is all set up for 8-foot sheets, so we have to get all of our sheets ripped before they move, and then we can always put cabinets together there. But all the kitchen cabinets are complete for the island and like the stove and fridge wall. We have the pantry to do, we have the laundry room to do, and we have the mudroom like locker situation that I want to do. We have to rip all of that, as well as we have countertop sheets now to rip too. So let's go see what dad's up to. He said he was going to clear coat one more, actually sand it, and then I'll clear coat it down there. And yeah, then we'll move some more cabinets and hopefully install them. Mom's been packing, and then also I'll show you downstairs. Oh, I need my shoes. Oh, right there. What's up?
Where's the kid?
Left him at home by himself.
No, where's the kid?
With the dogs.
No, where's the kid? Kyle home today?
Yeah.
I want to clean my workshop up.
Yeah.
Cause
Well, it'll be easier when there's no cabinets in here too. Okay, the last 4 are done and ready to go to the house. All the kitchen cabinets are in the house. So we've been ripping sheets. So we got an 11-inch panel for the pantry. We got middle base cabinets, back panel sheets, laundry, and laundry cut down there. So we're just trying to get the majority of the sheets in manageable sizes before all of this is not available to us anymore. Good morning, day 2 of ripping sheets. Today I have the kids with me, Rami, Diesel, and Damien, because Kyle is not off work. Yesterday was his day off, so he's gonna hang out up here with the puppies and watch some TV and stuff. And I'm gonna be downstairs installing cabinets. Screwed together these 2, and then the range is gonna go here, and then we have another 12-inch going on this side of the range, and then this cabinet. So just trying to get it all level.
Grab me another shimmer, please. Actually, give me that one. Yeah, that's the one I want.
Okay, Dad's got the fridge panel sitting there for now. We have the upper fridge cabinet. That one is screwed to the wall. That one's screwed to the wall, obviously. And then working on this one. What's up?
Is that with an S or a Z?
S. Sup. Not zup.
Is that a Z or a Z?
An S. And Mom's working on getting this cleaned out. This is going to be Mom and Dad's room. This was supposed to be the girls' room. I have a bunch of office stuff that can't come out of here just yet because my office does not have a floor, but we do have the flooring. So Kyle cleaned out this It's got some stuff that's gonna come out of it. Those are the curtains for my bedroom that I actually have to do a video on, that I've been waiting for like a year. And yeah, that's some just extra stuff that's gotta come out of here. Curtain rod can go up anytime. The sun is peeking out just enough that you can see the tree in the sunlight. What we have so far, I think you've seen this, but we did receive our range hood, so we will be able to make our cabinet here now. And we just have a couple pieces of cardboard holding some tools and stuff right now. But then this is our island. So it'll be a 24-inch, a 36-inch sink cabinet. The dishwasher is now sitting there, wired, there we go. It's not blue, it just has the cover on it. A 9-inch cabinet and then 3-foot drawer cabinet. This will be doors. This will be a single door that pulls out and it'll be garbages. And so yeah, this is our island, and we are currently working on our countertop for this. Right now it is, I think, 11'3" by almost 4 feet, so it is quite large. And we just put together the wood pieces for it yesterday, and now we will be bringing it here to laminate it and everything, which is over in those boxes, the 2 big boxes. You can see our hardwood flooring is in. No, Rami, stop it. No, 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 excuse me. No, look it. Look it. You have a ball right here. That's a ball. Get the ball. Get it. Get it. Good boys. Good boys. Get it. Get it. Ready? Go get it. There we go. So our range hood is in that box it came, and then in this box over here is our countertop for the pantry, which we've also been working on the cabinets for. So yeah, a lot going on. These all have to be stained on the outside still. You can see why we did the extension now on this piece. And then also on this side, this I actually just painted not too long ago just to match the walls because I hated looking at it. That is all going to be wood paneling as well, and it'll all be stained. And then we'll have the countertop overhang about 14 inches, and it'll have corbels, about 4 of them I think we've decided. But yeah, so lots going on. I'm gonna end this video here. Stay tuned for the next one. Should be putting in countertops. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we will see you next time. Bye.